What's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now guys, in this video I'm talking about AMP coin. What's the price changes over an AMP coin? In this video I will show you guys the latest update, which is very important for all of you. But before starting this video, I request all of you guys that please subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of AMP coin in the market is about 0.044941 USD dollar. That is the right now price of AMP coin. Furthermore, guys, if you study the changes update of AMP coin, so now the changes is completely going positive. Last 1 hour update is positive 0.04%. Last 1 day is negative 6.08%, and last 1 week change is also negative 6.04%, guys. So now the good news is that last 1 hour, last 60-minute update is positive, and guys, I believe guys that now it is the beginning of a huge pump. There's a higher possibility that AMP coin will continue this pump for a long time, guys. Higher possibilities, guys, and I'm 100% sure that they continue this pump, guys. Anyways, in this video I'm talking about another jump. Now guys, the good news is that in October, guys, there's a higher possibility that AMP coin will take a huge pump, guys, because due to the beginning of a new month, guys. I believe, guys, that possibility that AMP price will pump highly in the beginning of October, guys. Anyways, what you think? What is your prediction about AMP coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel, guys.